G'day everyone, here we are again at the illustrious premises of John Owen, 18 Great Buckingham Street, and it's the 20th of July 2012. Today's episode's called Look Ma, No Fire Alarms. So, or smoke alarms, whatever you want to call the fucking things. Alrighty, as we all know, it's illegal to not have smoke alarms in a residence such as this, where you've got people renting the premises. Not that John Owen could give a fuck. Anyway, we're going to go through the whole house and see if we can find any smoke alarms. Alright, back into the beautiful laundry. Any smoke alarms in here? Oh, no, nothing in here. Alright, into this laundry. Any smoke alarms in here? Well, no, you couldn't fucking nothing up here. No smoke alarms in here. What about in here? Any smoke alarms in here? Nope. What about in here? Any smoke alarms? Well, I can't see any smoke alarms there. Oh, look at this beautiful fucking mould again, would you? Do we have any smoke alarms in here? I can't see any. I can't see any. Any in here? I can't see any, can you? I can't see any fucking smoke alarms in here. Can't see any here. Can't see any here. What about in here? No, I can't see any in here either. It comes as no surprise, really. Fucking good. Now, careful the fucking ceiling doesn't fall on our heads out here. I love taking fucking footage of this, man. Look at that, I hope it doesn't fucking fall on me, but we're looking for smoke alarms, so any smoke alarms? No, I can't fucking see one. Even though it's fucking illegal not to have them. I cannot see any. What about in here? Sort of, you know, outside the bedrooms, which is where they're supposed to be. Nope, can't see any in here. And what about in here? Nope, I can't see any in here at all. Oh, and here's something I forgot to show you. So, see that fucking crack? See that beautiful crack there? It's a ripper, isn't it? So, it's just a short episode. Just a short episode for today. Called Look Ma, No Smoke Alarms. At John Owen's illustrious fucking premises, 18 Great Buckingham Street. The shithole that he thinks worth $1 million. Fucking no way, man. The shithole he wants to charge $550 a week for, and there's not one single smoke alarm in the joint. A completely fucking illegal situation.